Myron here with Best Contracting. This video is a how to replace a piece of siding. So you really don't need many tools for this. One little siding tool is all you need, and sometimes you don't even need this. However, this is monogram siding. This has an extra latching system, which makes it very difficult to remove, keeps the wind from blowing it off. But you need to start at an overlap. Here's an overlap. Get the tool, slide it up underneath there, and release that. So let's say we're replacing this piece of siding right here. So you got to remove or detach the piece of siding above it. Let's just pretend there's a hole in the siding here. Then you can come under, and a lot of times you don't even have to replace the nails. If you want to put the video under here, you can just loosen that. And that one came out. That will have to be nailed back in. But you remove the siding here. This is the piece that's being replaced. Cut the new one to fit. Make sure you have the overlap over top of the piece here. Put the new piece back in. Pop it into place, and I will refasten the nails every 12 to 16 inches. Be sure to hit the studs. And then you take your tool, restart the siding after you've obviously re-nailed it. Slide that along here, and the new piece is installed. This siding tool can be bought in most hardware stores. I believe even Home Depot and Lowe's carry them. So if you have a piece of siding that was melted from your grill, or if you had your son or daughter hit the siding with a baseball and it's broken, you can easily do this repair yourself.